Hey guys, if your Philips TV is not responding to your TV remote, so maybe you have some kind of delay when you're pressing your TV remote, or it's just not responding at all, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this. So the first thing we're going to do is just grab your television remote control, head over to the back of the remote, and you just need to remove the battery case like so, and then we're going to remove the batteries from the back here. Now for this particular model of remote, I have AAA batteries inside of here. So we're just going to remove these like so, then come round to the front of the control and you need to hold down the power button here for 10 seconds. Once 10 seconds have passed, the next thing we're going to do is just hold down firmly on each of the buttons like so. So we're just going to go through all the buttons on our remote, holding down each one. And what this is going to do is if there is a button that's stuck here, or maybe there's some dirt or debris underneath it, then this is just going to help free up the button. As occasionally, if you do have a stuck button on your TV remote, this can cause the entire thing to malfunction. So I know it sounds quite stupid, but just continue to do this through all of the buttons and make sure you don't have any of these things that are stuck. Then finally head back over to the back of the remote, reinsert your batteries to the remote, and then we're also just going to put the lid back on the remote here. And then finally you can now check to see if that's working. If that's still not solved the issue, another thing you can do is try replacing your batteries, and if that still doesn't work, then just try cleaning the sensor on the top of your remote. So you can just use something like a cloth or something to wipe at the top here. And also you want to make sure nothing's blocking the sensor that's actually on your TV. You can see over on my TV I have this red sensor in the bottom right hand corner, so just make sure you don't have any objects or any devices that are blocking that. Now if you have tried all of these steps and that still hasn't fixed it, the last thing we're going to do is just head round to the back of the television, and you need to locate the power cable that runs from your TV to the power outlet. Then we're just going to unplug this from the wall, and you need to leave this unplugged for 15 seconds. While the TV is unplugged, we're going to head round to the front of the television, and you need to locate the power button on your TV. This button can be located in different places depending on your model. For my particular version of television, it's located in the bottom right hand side like so. And then once you've found this button, we're just going to simply hold it down for 10 seconds. And this is going to drain any residual power that may be left inside of the TV. And then finally come back over to the back of the television, and we're just going to reinsert the plug to the power, and then you can try firing up the TV and checking to see if your remote is now responding. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.